Best Small Sauna Layout. Number 1. Idotioto, Small Sauna Layout. According to the ergonomic design, it fits the curve of the human spine, making it more comfortable to enjoy. 1-person infrared saunas for home, 1-person interior space size. With high performance, high strength, safety and long service life, the far infrared biospectrum emitted by far infrared red light tubes is close to the body's own wavelength and is more easily absorbed. 8 heaters, 2,300 watts large power, 10 to 15 minutes quick warm-up, equipped with 2 advanced Bluetooth music speakers, which supports the Bluetooth connection of a mobile phone, and has a resonance effect, just like a stereo sound. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Dynamic, Small Sauna Layout. Delivery instructions. For a smooth and successful delivery of your sauna, please provide a valid phone number for scheduling the delivery appointment. Please note that remote locations and dead-end streets may not be accessible for delivery. The sauna will be delivered to the curbside only by a semi-truck. 2-person sauna with low EMF between 6 to 10 mg when sitting 6 to 8 inches from the heating panels, is made from Canadian hemlock double paneled wood which heats up quickly and maintains temperature longer. 2-person capacity with quicker heat up times. Luxury home saunas can fit into a regular 120 volts house plug and can be a great addition to many spaces in your home. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Life Pro, Small Sauna Layout. 1-person infrared sauna uses far infrared to heat your body from the inside out, helping you sweat out toxins, improve your circulation and boost your immune system. Our dry sauna for home combine penetrating fur and standard 7-color chromotherapy to relieve joint and muscle pain, for improved mobility and accelerated recovery. Enjoy optimal skin health and wound healing, convenient as an indoor sauna. The RejuvaCure provides anti-aging, cellular health benefits for optimal skin wellness with this sauna infrared. Stimulate efficient calorie burning. It is a traditional sauna. The far infrared saunas for home stimulates your metabolism through heat, but without moving air, so it's safer for sensitive skin. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Itherau, Small Sauna Layout. 3 liters large capacity vapor steam meter has 9 temperature options. The maximum temperature is below 55 degrees. It won't burn your body or skin. Timer function for 10 to 60 minutes. Enjoy your personal time with peace of mind. After 6 minutes of quick heating, steam can fill the entire bath. The pipe used for support is UPVC pipe, which has strong heat resistance, and is not as easy to get hot as stainless steel or iron pipes on the market. The special pagoda shape design is particularly novel. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Relax, Small Sauna Layout. Relax Sauna Quality Advantage. The Relax Sauna's advantage is its powerful radiators that exclusively emit the highest quality far infrared radiation, FIR. This far infrared is absorbed by the water molecules in the body, increasing core temperature. Independent tests show that the Relax Sauna raises core temperature faster than other saunas, which means you can get a faster sweat, saving you time. The Relax Sauna heats up in seconds. You can get a full sweat in the Relax Sauna in just 20 minutes. Other saunas take 10 to 15 minutes just to heat up and then another half hour on top of that to get a full sweat. The main component in the radiator is a ceramic semiconductor that excludes near and middle infrared energy. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.